I want to call out here that Marimo is, of course, great for sharing Python and great for sharing Markdown, but it's also great for sharing Mermaid diagrams. So here we go. Ready? Create a new notebook at marimo.app. We can accept their suggestion to import mo, and we go mo.mermaid. And then let's use their help. So we hover over, we'll grab help, and we'll see if we can copy this whole thing. And let's see. Okay, so there's our document, and let's hide this. And we'll actually even move it down here. And we don't need this. So let's share this, create a permalink, and we'll show that we can bring it up here. Cool. And of course, we can play with it. So D goes to E. Let's make that a rhombus, or let's make that a different shape. Diamond. So there you go.